How to grow roses from cuttings, step-by-step complete guide for beginners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to grow beautiful rose plants from cuttings in a very simple and beginner-friendly way. If you love roses and want to multiply your favorite plant without buying new ones, this method is perfect for you. It is easy, affordable, and highly successful if done correctly. Let's get started. First, you need to choose a healthy rose plant. Make sure the mother plant is disease-free and has strong green stems. The best time to take cuttings is during spring or early winter when the plant is not under extreme heat stress. Now select a semi-hardwood stem. It should not be too soft and not too old. Ideally, choose a stem that has recently finished flowering. Using clean and sharp pruning scissors, cut a piece that is about 6 to 8 inches long. Make the cut just below a leaf node because roots grow faster from nodes. Next, remove the lower leaves from the cutting. Keep only 2 small leaves at the top. This helps reduce water loss while still allowing photosynthesis. If the leaves are large, you can cut them in half. Now we prepare the cutting for rooting. If you have rooting hormone, dip the bottom end of the stem into it. Rooting hormone increases the chances of success, but if you don't have it, don't worry. You can also use natural alternatives like honey or aloe vera gel. For soil, use a well-draining mix. A combination of garden soil, sand, and compost works very well. The soil should be moist but not soggy. Fill a small pot with this mixture and make a hole in the center using a stick. Insert the cutting about 2 to 3 inches deep into the soil and gently press the soil around it to hold it firmly in place. After planting, water lightly. Do not overwater because too much moisture can cause the stem to rot. Now comes the most important step, humidity. Rose cuttings need a humid environment to develop roots. You can cover the pot with a transparent plastic bottle or plastic bag to create a mini greenhouse effect. Make sure the plastic does not touch the leaves. Place the pot in a bright area with indirect sunlight. Avoid direct harsh sun because it can dry out the cutting quickly. Over the next few weeks, keep the soil slightly moist. Do not let it completely dry out, but also do not flood it. In about 3 to 5 weeks, roots will start forming. You can check root development by gently tugging the cutting. If you feel resistance, that means roots have formed. Once you see new leaves growing, it is a strong sign that your cutting has successfully rooted. At this stage, you can gradually remove the plastic cover. After a few more weeks, when the plant becomes stronger, you can transplant it into a bigger pot with rich potting soil. For best growth, place your rose plant in a sunny location where it receives at least 5 to 6 hours of sunlight daily. Water deeply but only when the top layer of soil feels dry. Feed your plant with organic fertilizer every few weeks for healthy blooms. And that's it. Growing roses from cuttings is simple, rewarding, and a great way to expand your garden without spending extra money. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other plant lovers. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next gardening video. Rose sparkles.